So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find and replace certain words in your project. For example, if your project is very lengthy, like it's a lot of codes are written, you can't just go individually and change the name. So best way to do that is first you need to click and select the page. Sometimes you might have selected somewhere else, but the best way is just select it and then Control and F. So you get this option to find. So what do you want to replace? So here I want to change the name from India to US. So first you need to type the name India. Now once you type, you'll get to see like all the India that you can, in the code and in the output. So there's an arrow right here pointing towards right. Just click on that and then you'll get an option to replace. So here you write US. So it's asking whether you want to replace like the selected one India, the yellow, the one in the yellow color, or you want to, that is when if you click replace, only that will change. But if you want the entire project or entire page to be changed, then click replace all. So everything gets changed. Now, as you can notice here, it's written as Indian investment. So once I run this, it'll become US investment. So once I run this code, let's say select the cell, Control and enter. So as you can see, it's changed from India to USA. So that's how you find and replace. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. Thank you.